Hello, my name is Amelia Bucklew, and in this presentation I'm going to be analyzing the Maine Crisp Buckwheat Cracker and the flavor of blueberry walnut. The product complies with the principal display panel regulations, as the principal display encompasses the entire front side facing the customer. As labeled here, the crackers also show the 8 basic elements of food labeling. The package is overall very well done. There is a vibrant yellow on the front of the package, which is helpful to catch the consumer's eye. Additionally, since the product is a blueberry walnut flavor, there's a small blueberry design with some walnuts by the window to see the cracker. This was a good idea to place a small design next to the cracker window, as now the consumer can visualize the whole foods that are in the cracker. When assessing the total calories, the FDA allows for rounding. Thus, when the real math is done, the total calories is actually 74.5. There is 2.5 grams of total fat and 0 grams of saturated and trans fats, which means that all of the fat is to some degree unsaturated. There is 0 grams of cholesterol. Also 80 milligrams of sodium, which one can see sprinkled on top of the cracker, and is only 3% of the daily value. In total, there are 11 grams of carbohydrates, and the label specifies that 2 of the 11 grams are dietary fiber and 3 are dedicated to sugar, and additionally, there's 3 grams of added sugars, so a total of 6 grams of sugar. The daily value of carbohydrates is 275 grams per day, in which 11 grams is 4% of 275. Here is an overview of all the ingredients in the crackers, and as you can see, there's a good balance of thickening agents, flavors, and limited sweeteners. These buckwheat crackers are manufactured very similarly to other multigrain crackers, but their process includes weighing out the dry ingredients, then mixing those dry ingredients together, and finally adding water and honey to that mixture, and then using an industrial mixer to integrate all those ingredients. And once those ingredients are mixed together properly, they are poured, the batter is poured into specialized rectangular bread tins and baked. And then a specialized slicing machine is utilized to cut those baked loaves into exactly 1/16 of an inch slices. Once those slices are cut, they are spread out on trays and baked again at 325 degrees Fahrenheit until crispy. And once they are crisp, they are weighed and packaged, and that creates a final product. The FDA regulates the Maine Crisp Cracker. Additionally, the product claims to be gluten-free, and to achieve this label, it means that the product does not contain gluten over the FDA's allowable limit of 20 parts per million, and that it is manufactured in a facility that prevents cross-contamination. On the cracker's box, it was said to be enjoyed with herby goat cheese and salami, and after crisping the cracker and adding goat cheese, it was quite delicious. Overall, the cracker tasted really nice. However, some ideas of improvement would be to work on making a crispier cracker, and some ideas on how to achieve that would be to use more airtight packaging and or making the instructions to re-crisp the cracker larger, as they are incredibly small underneath the nutrition label. Additionally, another idea was to add more blueberry flavor by potentially adding natural blueberry flavoring, just to make it taste better. And one other idea would be to lower the price of the cracker, as is $7.99 per box, but only if this does not compromise the quality of the products to attain a lower price.